Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and we're here with the all-new 2022 Honda Civics. Coming out later this year, we're going to have a drive event, but we got some early access to take a look at these cars here in the studio and get breaking looks at this 11th generation. Some new exciting things coming from the Civic and some tried and true formula. So over here on the left, we've got the Civic Sport. Now this is featuring the HPD package and the same 2-liter inline-four engine from the last generation Civic. Still paired up to a CVT, unfortunately the manual transmission is not going to be offered for the 11th gen, but you're getting these sharp new looks with both the Sport and LX trims and a bunch of new features inside as well. Now over here you have the Top Dog Touring. So the upper two trims, the EX and the Touring, are getting the 1.5-liter turbo inline-four from the previous gen, but bumped up with a little extra horsepower and torque, still paired with a CVT. Some special wheels and some really nice interior trimmings are going to be found on these top-level models, including an all-new 12-speaker Bose audio system. Enjoy the rest of this B-roll footage and stay tuned to Winding Road for our full POV test drive when we get behind the wheel of the 2022 Honda Civic.